It's day 35 and the absolute last day of the trip. We're waking up here very early to my dad cooking food. He was wanting to move quickly. Can't blame him, it's the last day. Um, we are here at Land Between the Lakes in a campground called Red Hollow. Um, and I just want to take a moment to kind of highlight some things we use on the trip. This is the firebox. It's collapsible and you fill it with small pieces of wood. And then it's just a small contained fire. And then this is our scuttle or a discata. That's what we cook breakfast on. This is how we warm up. We've cooked breakfast sometimes on this, but we'll take this pot of water, and my dad will make coffee. I would have hot chocolate, fake chocolate, and then we just use this lighter fluid to heat it up. This is my breakfast: sausage, hash brown, and egg scramble on a tortilla. My dad had the same thing, but without the tortillas. He had English muffin with our boysenberry jam on it. Now this string was at the campsite when we got there. My hammock would not reach the two trees I needed, so I used that to jerry rig it. So every day I'd put my bedding. On the left there's the air mattress I slept on, and on the right's the rolled up sleeping bag and other wool blankets and such. Underneath it, this is our snack box, which is kind of depleted at this point. And then on the left is our bread box, which is like bread, tortillas, English muffins, and rice and such. In the back of the truck, my dad has a slide out that he made, and it just keeps all of our gear, just so much of our gear. And then on top is a camping box that my dad's dad, my grandpa Tom, made, and stuff on top, and then magnetic compartment on the bottom. It's sweet. Um, we used our last paper towel that morning, which is like, wow, so crazy, so poetic, you know what I mean? Um, and then we left. And we kept driving through Land Between the Lakes, and we saw some bison. How cool is that? Eventually, it turned into Tennessee, and we saw this big mamma jamma. This is a TVA. And then I saw that big mamma jamma. I was like, giant ball? What could that be? And it turns out it was Tennessee's largest science museum. I want to go so bad, but it's 3 hours away. Anyway, I didn't film a whole lot because I was just taking it all in as we finished, but this is us getting home. Um, what a trip this was. I'm so happy I was able to take it. Everybody that I told was like, wow, I wish I could do that. So I'm very fortunate to be able to do it. Um, so many different ways I'm fortunate, that my dad's here, that we like each other, um, and that I had the time to do it. I'm doing a lot of cool stuff at the moment. I'm currently preparing to drum on a cruise ship. Um, so there's a lot of prep I need to do for that. But yeah, the dog was all happy I was home and such. Took her a while to come see me. I was a little salty about that. But it was cool nonetheless. And let me tell you what, it's nice to finally take a dump in my own toilet. Thanks for watching, guys.